The topic is photosynthesis. So, photo means light and synthesis means combining. So, photosynthesis is the process which happens in plants by which the green parts of the plants they make food from carbon dioxide that is present in atmosphere and water with the help of chlorophyll, that is the green pigment, and energy from sunlight. So plants they have some green parts where the green pigment is present, which is known as chlorophyll, and with the help of carbon dioxide and water and energy of sunlight plants make food through the process of photosynthesis. Now, during photosynthesis, glucose is synthesized, which is the product of photosynthesis, and oxygen is released. Now, let us see the equation of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is taken from air, water is taken from soil by the roots, and using the energy of sunlight that is captured by the chlorophyll molecule, that is the green pigment, it makes glucose that is formed in the green parts of plant, and it also releases oxygen that is released into the atmosphere. So using carbon dioxide and water and sunlight we make glucose and oxygen. Now during photosynthesis solar energy is trapped by the chlorophyll, that is the green pigment, and it is changed to chemical energy. So the sunlight is changed into chemical energy in the form of glucose. This glucose that is prepared, it is distributed to the different parts of plants so that they can use it when they need it. Now let us read about the basic process of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll, that is the green pigment, it traps light or solar energy and it becomes energized. Now this energy it is used in splitting of water molecule into H plus and OH minus radicals. This process is known as photolysis of water. So chlorophyll helps to trap the sunlight and it gets energized. Now this energy of sunlight it is used in splitting of water molecule into two parts. First is H plus ion and second is OH minus ion, and this process where there is splitting of water molecule, this is known as photolysis of water. So we can see in this equation where H2O is broken down into H plus ion and OH minus ion by the energy of sunlight. Now oxygen from OH minus ion it is released into air. So the OH minus ion that is formed from the splitting of water, 4 OH minus will combine and they will form two water molecules and O2, which is formed as the product of photosynthesis and it is released into air. Now hydrogen combines with the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to form glucose. So we read that water along with carbon dioxide it forms glucose, and when the water splits down into H plus and OH minus ion, so OH minus ion will release oxygen into the air and H plus will combine with carbon dioxide and it will reduce it to form glucose. So glucose is used by cells as source of energy and it is also used in the synthesis of starch. So glucose is the product of photosynthesis that is used as source of energy by the cells of plant, and it is also used in the synthesis of starch so that it can be stored later and it can be used by the plant. Now extra glucose is stored in the form of starch in different parts of plant. After photosynthesis, glucose is formed. So glucose is used by cells as source of energy, but the extra glucose that is left, it is stored in the form of starch so that it can be used later by different parts of plant. I hope you understood this topic well. Thank you.